Hey guys, today I am gonna try to get back into working out. So I'm gonna take it easy. I worked up a little bit of a sweat. If you can see these droplets on my shirt. I just got back from taking a walk. So I am gonna just do a 30-minute workout. And I'm not exactly sure. I don't have a yoga mat, so I'm not sure exactly what exercise I'm going to be doing, but I am going to be using water jugs that are detergent bottles. Since I don't have weights, I'm going to add some water, and water, as you know, is a force to be reckoned with, not to be reckoned with. So I'm going to be using that as my weights, and I'm not going to probably do floor exercises since I don't have a yoga mat, but I will do some stretching and some hopefully a little bit of cardio. Can't guarantee, but we'll see as I go through the process. So if you're to the channel, this is Natural Raw Essence, and if you're interested in this video, keep watching. guys, I didn't film the whole thing like I thought I would. I am really severely out of shape. I used to be the type that worked out every day. Yes, I was a dancer at one point, and I used to dance every day and work out. Not a professional dancer, but I just had a love for dance. So, on that note, but you can tell, see my shirt, I did work up a sweat, and I actually felt like I was going to pass out, so I stopped. I'm not going to push myself. If you're hopefully inspired by this video, even though it's not a full-fledged workout video, but hopefully you will be inspired. I know that I need to ease into this because it's been many, many years since I've worked out like how I used to work out on an everyday basis. And I'm probably just going to do, I do 50 squats in the morning, and that's pretty much all I do. So for me to work up back my cardio and everything, I'm probably going to have to do like 15 minutes at a spurt until I build myself back up. So that is my goal for the end of this year, is to, I really wish I had started earlier because I prefer to work out in the summertime than going into winter, but fall to, this I guess is a good time because it's cooling down, so between September to December, right before the holidays, I'm going to try to work out and get my body back into the swing of things, so by the spring of next year I could be better in shape and hopefully, not making any promises, feature a video. So this is my journey. I'm not being transparent. I'm not trying to hide anything. This is where I'm at, and hopefully I can push through, and I hope that you push through too. Push through with me. So on that note, we're gonna end it here. Cut.